yẹn ò ní mọ̀. Ṣé mọ̀ nǹkan tí Esabod ṣe end up láti wọ rag. Ìgbà tó yẹ kí Esabod pay attention sí personal life ẹ̀. She was busy looking at ara wo lele mu, talele. I have to blackmail this person. I have to subject this person to bully so that she can pay me. Gbọ́ mi nǹkan tí mi sọ. Òun ló ṣe fà tí Esabod, she can never be a happy soul tó máa fi kú. She will remain miserable tó máa fi kú. Because kò ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ bẹ̀rẹ̀ wá yẹn. Láti ọmọ ọdún kan ló ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ wá tó wà lára yẹn. Títí was 62 going to 63. Ẹ rí pé event tó wà inú odò. On a good day, ọmọ kékeré là wá. Anything tó bá wọ̀ pẹ̀lú èjè yẹn kò tọ́ sí wa lẹ́nu láti analyze. But I'm analyze here because olórí burúkú ni Esabod. Kiru Esabod gbogbo yín mọ̀ gbà tó attack gold business mi now. Yes, ìgbà tó attack gold business mi ò lè sọ fún yín pé ọ̀tá mi ò ní setback ní the gold business mi. Of course, ọ̀tá mi experience setback ní the gold business mi nígbà yẹn. Kí n tó wá pick up again. Tó bá jẹ́ pé mi ò strong enough, ẹ má gbàgbé pé that will be end of my enemy's life. So kò sí bàbá lákú bàbá ẹni tó máa gbọ́rọ̀ Esabod lẹ́nu mi. Kò tí sí. Kọ́lọ́run má gbà kíkú má gbà. A máa sọ̀rọ̀ ẹ̀ tó máa fi ṣán kú nìyẹn Esabod. Because Esabod ò ní a gram of gold. Ẹ má gbàgbé pé Esabod ò fi ọjọ́ kan attack business gold mi rí until ìgbà tí mo marry. Ó ní láti lọ gba advert lọ́wọ́ èèyàn kan tó jẹ́ ní bíbí tiẹ̀ to pull down my gold business. She told people that ọjà tí mò ń ta ò kì í ṣe gold, pé panda lọ̀tá mi ń tà. And my enemy experienced serious setback in gold business that time. Tó bá jẹ́ pé mi ò ní other business ni, ọ̀tá mi á ti pokùnso when she attacked my gold business. Because ìgbà yẹn mo ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ tún gbé ọjà wọlé ni. She told people that my gold jewelry, that my gold business is costumes. And a lot of people believed her because of her age. They believed her because people thought she was telling the truth. Kò sẹ́ni tó mọ̀ wípé because she wanted to collect ransom from me. Ó fẹ́ gbowó ipá. So, kò sí Yorùbá kankan tó dúró wípé ìwọ ìyá yìí ó dẹ̀ ṣàánú ọmọ tí kò lénìyàn. Ó ṣàánú ọmọ òrukàn. Olórí burúkú ẹ̀ wà nílùú òyìnbó, ó ń gbélé ọ̀fẹ́. Àwọn ọmọ ẹ̀ lọ sí school ọ̀fẹ́. She attacked my gold business. And my gold business went from 100 back to -0. That is how terrible my gold business crumbled when she attacked me. But I stood my ground and I was trying to explain to you guys then, but nobody believed my enemy. She said I gave her money to kill people. And other bloggers came out that I gave them money to kill people. So who want to buy market from a killer? Who want to buy market from someone that pay people? Who wants to patronize such person? Who are the people that want to patronize such person? So, from my gold business, I moved back to my properties business. Esabod came back for my, she came back again for my property business. She said I planted juju in that estate. Everybody that paid the installment, they came back for money. Mo bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní lu nǹkan mi tà ní gbàǹjo to pay them back. I will, it's not, tó bá ti wá sí page mi pé kí forgive Esabod wá gbé ọmọ sin. wàá gbé ọmọ sí lọ́lá inú mi tó dùn lénìí lọ́lá gbogbo èèyàn tó kí mi congratulation lénìí wàá gbé ọmọ sí. If you tell me to forgive blackmailers mo bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní gbé nǹkan ní mi ta to pay people back. I can show you. Let me just go. Ẹ wo nǹkan tí mo fi store orúkọ àwọn èèyàn nígbà yẹn. Esabod, ṣebí you were happy. Àbí o wá jubilate lórí social media. Bó máa tán fún ọ̀tá mi. Ìwọ ikú oró ló máa kú ṣe. Kò sí baba ńlá kú ẹni tó máa gborúkọ ẹ lẹ́nu mi. Mo ń bọ̀. Land return money or refund money. Let me see. Ẹ wo kí lẹ rí. Mo ń bọ̀. Àwọn lórúkọ wọn jáde tó pọ̀ yìí. There are many. Ẹ wo àwọn rèé. Àwọn ẹ wo mo ń bọ̀. Ẹ wo Sherry. Everybody came back, stood on my neck that they want their money back. So mo bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní ta nǹkan ní mi to pay them back so that they will not come on social media. Láti yẹ̀yẹ́ mi. I sold so many things to pay people back. Thereafter, mo bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ní polówó beauty products mi. Esabod called NAFDAC to me to come and arrest me. Esabod sent someone. Or woman kan wá rajà lọ́wọ́ mi, ó ra cream lọ́wọ́ mi. Woman yẹn jẹ mí lówó. Woman yẹn wá send the receipt ọjà mi sí Esabod. Esabod fi competition sí NAFDAC. So I was invited over. I explained myself. NAFDAC tẹ̀rí gbogbo document mi níbi tó dé. Ẹ má gbàgbé pé wọ́n gbé receipt mi wá. Mi ò dẹ̀ tí ní crowd tó tó ìtò ń wò mí. So everything happens. My what's it called? My beauty product business experience setback again. Wọ́n pe lady kan ní Yeye Yinka Ewé, lady yẹn ló ń bá ṣe show, lady yẹn ló gbé receipt mi wá. Àdàbí woman tó gbé receipt mi wá yẹn, àdàbí tí woman yẹn ò bá jẹ mí lówó. Àmọ́ tí woman yẹn bá jẹ mí lówó, ẹ máa wo gbogbo èèyàn tó ń ṣoríire ni. Kò sí èèyàn kankan tó máa kí gbogbo yín kú oríire. Gbogbo yín tẹ́ ṣiṣẹ́ pẹ̀lú Esabod àti Esabod fúnra rẹ̀. Ẹ máa wá wọn tó ń ṣe oríire lọ́kàn ni. Ọmọ aráyé ò ní kí yín kú oríire. Àfi tẹ́ bá rìn lórí ilẹ̀, àbí tẹ́ bá mú mi lókù. So, my beauty product experience setback as well. After then, Esabod instructed all our fellow blackmailers to stage a show for me that I pay them. Pé kán lọ pa èèyàn mẹ́ta. After they staged that show, they cut those shows and took it to Alagbon and write a strong petition. And Alagbon got court warrant against my enemy. So, ẹ má gbàgbé pé lẹ́yìn tí mo wed tán ni wọ́n bẹ̀rẹ̀ ogun yìí o. Ẹ má gbàgbé pé lẹ́yìn tí mo ṣègbéyàwó tán ni o. Ẹ má gbàgbé pé kí n tó ṣègbéyàwó wọn ò ṣe báyìí o. Ẹ má gbàgbé o. Now, they got court warrants against me. So they came to my house. There were many. They arrested me like an armed robber in my house. I have the video. Because it's a criminal case. It's a criminal. So they came to arrested my enemy like a criminal. They came, there were many. Like 18. And when they came in, they showed my orderlies letter. So, they took me to nearest police station. They wanted to take me with handcuff. I told them they cannot handcuff me. They said they already got court warrant. I said they can never. Timba de police station pẹ̀lú yín. Tí ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ tí mo ṣẹ̀ tó bá warrant handcuff, then you can handcuff me. You can handcuff me. But láti bí báyìí, ẹ lè handcuff me. Ajá gidi gan mo bá wọn pò. Mo dẹ̀ pa àwọn kankan tí mo mọ̀. I can resist arrest that day. But mo mọ̀ọ́mọ̀ tẹ̀lé yín. Esabod has done her worst on social media. Blackmailing people to collect money. Nobody can stop me from talking about Esabod. Nobody. I have paid my dues. I was breastfeeding my daughter when they came inside. For the fact that they did something and something, I wouldn't want to talk about it. So, we went to the nearest police station of my house. Then from there, the DPO told them you cannot handcuff her. Yes, the DPO said you cannot handcuff her. No. They wanted to handcuff my hand and my leg as a criminal. Based on what Esabod and the blackmailer did on social media. That I instructed them, that I gave them money to go and kill people. Don't forget that Esabod wrote petition to tax. They invited me over from tax office as well. That was last year. Gbogbo ẹ̀dá tó bá rántí dáadáa, Esabod dídí sọ fún wa ní pé ọ̀tá mi máa gbà. Ó lóun ti kọ lẹ́tà sọ́lọ́pàá, òun ti kọ sí NAFDAC, òun ti kọ sí tax, òun ti ṣe. She did everything, truly. She did everything, truly. She did everything. So the DPO said you cannot take her. That did you search her home and find a gun in her home? They said no, that they didn't come with a search warrant. That they only came in with arrest warrant. I said, okay, if you want to search my house, go ahead. Ẹ má gbàgbé pé lẹ́yìn ìgbà yẹn làwọn Esabod doctor gun sound sínú live chat tí mo ń ṣe lọ báyìí. Ẹ má gbàgbé pé mo ń ṣe live chat lọ báyìí. Àwọn Esabod wọ́n convert sound. Ilé kan wà níwájú ọ̀dọ̀ mi níbí báyìí wọ́n kọ lọ lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́. Sound tí àwọn Esabod gbọ́, wọ́n gé sound yẹn. Ó pẹ̀lú nǹkan tó fi lọ ṣe another petition sí Ìkẹjà kò tún ṣe alágbọ̀n mọ́. Esabod ó máa ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ kú ni. Ó tí rí nǹkan kan. Inú abímọ kú kan ò kí ń dùn. Inú ò ní dùn tó máa fi kú. Ẹ má gbàgbé ẹ dì mú pé lẹ́yìn ìgbéyàwó mi ni Esabod àwọn fellow blackmailers ẹ jáde wípé mo fún àwọn lówó káwọn pààyàn. Àwọn people yóò ever jáde rí wípé mo fún àwọn lówó káwọn pààyàn before I got married to my husband. Ẹ dẹ̀ má gbàgbé pé gbogbo bọ́n ṣe sọ pé Lizzy fún wa lówó pé káwọn lọ pààyàn. Wọn ò mú audio jáde o bí ẹ̀rí. Wọn ò dẹ̀ mú video jáde àbí ẹ̀rí. They only came online and stage show to spread that fake rumors. You know why I'm telling you this? Mo rántí ìjọ́ tí èèyàn kan jáde nínú wọn tó ní ọmọ òun máa kú. If I play àwọn videos tí wọ́n fi ṣe èpè pọ́mọ àwọn máa kú. Wọ́n dẹ̀ print photo ọmọ ara wọn láì ṣe Florida. Wọ́n print ẹ̀ lọ sínú aginjù for 7 days pé ọmọ àwọn máa kú. Ìgbà mi tí sọ̀rọ̀ mi tí di speaker. Mo sì ń wò wọ́n. Lára nǹkan tán fi mú mi pé kí n máa mọ́wọ́ wá òun náà ni fídíò tí wọ́n ń ṣe tí wọ́n fi ń ṣépè fún ọmọ ara wọn pọ̀ mọ́ wọn máa kú. Àbí ṣé mi ni mo kọ́kọ́ ṣépè fún ọmọ wọn. Àbí ọmọ wo ló máa rí tí wọ́n mú ọmọ ẹ̀ lọ sí tó mú fọ́tò ọmọ ẹ̀ lọ ságinjù pọ̀ ọmọ ẹ̀ máa kú tí ò ní sanwó. Esabod, you know I promise you that we'll expose you. Àbí ọmọ wo náà máa print photo ọmọ ẹ̀ tó máa mú lọ sí aginjù pé ọmọ ẹ̀ máa kú tí kò ní sanwó. Mo fẹ́ kẹ́ mọ̀ gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ máa lọ wo show wọn. Àbẹ́ ẹ̀yin tẹ́ sponsor wọn. gbogbo aburú tó ṣẹlẹ̀ sí yín ọwọ́ ara yín lẹ fi fà tó rẹ̀ ti dẹrun ayé àdàbíjà ó jèpè ogun ní ṣinimú èpè ò kì í ṣìyànjà gbogbo ìgbà tí wọ́n ń ṣépè pọmọ àwọn máa kú yẹn ẹ má gbàgbé pé lẹ́yìn tí mo fẹ́ Mr. Lawal tán náà ni wọ́n bẹ̀rẹ̀ ọdún èpè wọ́n máa ń pè ní èpè dé ṣé mọye speaker tó ṣe èpè dé fún ọmọ ara wọn láì ṣe Florida but tonight look at same Florida. Now ẹ máa ṣẹ̀sìn gan o